Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Frugalisama. My name's Sam and this is where I talk about all things sewing. Today I've got another prize for the Sew Frugal 22 challenge, and I've got some discounts and a free pattern as well for you. So keep watching and I will go into them later. So if you're not sure what Sew Frugal 22 challenge is, it's a little challenge that myself and Rowan at the Yorkshire Sew Girl is doing over on Instagram to make yourself a garment during the month of March using a free pattern and fabric from your stash, and the reveal day is the 31st of March on Instagram. So we've got over 70 vloggers taking part in this challenge, giving you their ideas and inspiration. So today you should be seeing Catherine at Serenity Sews, and it should have been Tamlin at Sewn on the Time, but life has happened and she's not been able to get her video up today, so that's just a little heads up for you. It'll be coming sometime this week, I'm sure, just so you're not looking for it. I have got a playlist which is linked below all of these videos so that you can click on all the videos for all the inspiration videos, and all the prize videos are in a separate playlist, so all that's linked below, and everything that I talk about today. So today's prize comes from Waves and Wild, which is why I'm wearing my HeyDay Dungarees for you. One of my favourite pattern companies, this. They just design some really lovely garments for children, for men and for women, and just really easy to wear garments. So the prize is a 25 Australian dollars voucher to spend on the Waves and Wild website, and I thought that was a fantastic prize because their patterns are around about 12 Australian dollars normally, so that will get you at least 2 patterns. So right at this moment they are celebrating their first birthday, which means that all their patterns up until Friday the 11th are half price, 50% off. So instead of being 12 Australian dollars, that means that they are 6 Australian dollars, which equates to around about £3, £4.40 for US dollars. So that's a fantastic bargain. So I'd really encourage you to go on there and have a look. So yeah, I'll just talk about the HeyDay Dungarees very briefly for you. They are very easy to sew. They just sort of warn you that you might be going through some thick parts of your fabric. I made these in a linen, so it wasn't too bad at all. And no fastenings on them. You can put buttons here if you want to, and really, really easy to get on and off when you go to the loo. That's the best bit about them. I'm going to insert some video now to show you what they look like on and how easy they are to take off and on your shoulder to get on and off. I can't tell you how many times I've worn these HeyDay Dungarees this last year. They're really versatile. Never thought it would be a pattern for me, but I absolutely love them. So the women's patterns are designed for extra small up to 5 extra large, which goes from a 32-inch bust up to a 52-inch bust and up to a 57-inch hip. Loads of ease in these HeyDay Dungarees. Quite a size inclusive pattern as well, and what's best about the HeyDay Dungarees is that they've got a children's version as well, so you can make one for your kiddos as well. It can be made in wovens. I've made mine in a linen. I think it's a linen mix actually. If you wanted to test it out in an old duvet cover or something like that for a bit of fun, I've seen some really fun ones. I'm a bit more reserved in my taste. They are celebrating their birthday, so along with the discount that they've got, they are having some giveaways and I think some freebies as well, and I think they've got a new pattern in the pipeline this week. So what I'd suggest you do is either join their Facebook group or subscribe for their newsletter, and you'll be the first to know about all the things that are going on this week for them. So for the freebies that they've got on their website, it is mainly children's patterns, but that's absolutely fine. You can make children's patterns for the challenge, that's absolutely fine. So they've got some little leggings on there and a t-shirt and a vest that you could download. And as I was speaking to Sarah, who is the designer behind the brand, if you like, she was just saying how nice it was to see a competition that was making it accessible to everybody in terms of using free patterns and using what fabric you've got. Obviously as a designer she wants people to buy her things, but the best way to sample that is by providing a free pattern and seeing how you like it and how they design things. Making considered choices and using a free pattern is a great way to do that. That's for all designers, not just Waves and Wild ones. So if you do use a Waves and Wild pattern for Sew Frugal 22, don't forget to tag Waves and Wild in, and I'd say that for all the pattern designers as well, just as a thank you and a heads up that their patterns are being used. So that's it from me today. I will come back tomorrow with another prize. Thank you for watching. Bye.